Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we're doing a rear disc and rear brake pads. This one here is for electronic brake pads. So electronic motor for the caliper. So you gotta actually use the scan tool to lock it, to release the caliper motor and wind it all the way back so you can actually push the piston back, otherwise you'll break it and damage stuff. So every brake pads we do and rear disc we have to clean everything. Like, I know sometimes people say you don't need to clean it, but we rather clean it because all the dust here will go straight onto your brake pads and your disc and then cause brake squeal and noise. Alright, so that's what we're doing now. And then if we come to the actual other side of the workshop, what we're doing now, we're doing a this is 718. We've done a major service, and then we had to rip everything apart on top, like you see here. Get the vacuum cleaner. We're gonna suck all the dirt and stuff out before we put the new like that. Yep. I'll take that one out. If you look in there, really bad. Yep. So we're just going to replace the air filter on the 718. It's pretty painful, but all this stuff's got to come out so we can do the job properly. And make sure you clean it, get a vacuum cleaner and clean all that. Otherwise that's got to go back in your intake. Possibly go in the intake. I know you got an air filter there, but don't take any chance. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.